Okay, so for number 13, I'm going to use the, I guess, method 1, which is what I showed you guys first. You guys can ignore me, of course, I'm just talking to the camera. But anyways, this side of the equation is supposed to be equal to that side of the equation, so the golden rule is whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other. Personally, I like to put the letters on this side and the numbers on that side, and the way I go about that is I see this, I want it to be gone from here and move that way. So I'm going to use a negative 4x to get it to move over there. So basically I'm going to end up with a negative 4x on this side, and I need to do the same thing over here, so let me put it somewhere among these terms. Move this over a little bit so I can fit this. And so it might actually help if I write the negative 4x in a different color. So now you can clearly see that the only thing that's changed, if I cover these up, the equation looks the same. And so what I've done to one side of the equal sign, I've done to the other. That makes it legal. And now what happens is that these two terms cancel each other. So I can rewrite it, bring down that negative 5, positive 7. These two are like terms, I can put them together, 12x. Now I want to get rid of this 7 because I want all my numbers on that side, all my letters on this side. So I'm going to use the opposite of this to get rid of it. The opposite of positive 7 is negative 7. And out of fairness, if I do this to this side of the equal sign, it would no longer be equal to that side if I didn't also do the same thing over there. So these are going to cancel. And then these make a negative 12 and 12x, negative 12x. To get rid of that, since x is being multiplied by a negative 12, to get rid of it, I divide by a negative 12. And so this big negative 12 over negative 12 is just like a big 1. Because anything over itself is 1. 1 times x is just x, so that's how we've gotten rid of what was attached to x. And of course, anything over itself is just 1. So that would be our answer. And this would be like method 1, I guess. Method or technique 1.